Hello, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm enjoying a little coffee over here, reading some books and representing my Indoorsy shirt. Where did this shirt come from, pray tell? Let me tell you the story. So if you watched another video of mine, my Femfetti review, I received some things in there I did not like, but I was very PC about it and very, calm. I didn't trash the company or anything like that because I was happy with my other purchases. It's just I ordered a mystery bundle and unfortunately 2 out of the 3 that I received just really weren't what I was hoping for, and I was disappointed, and you could easily see my disappointment on my face. Well, being a good person paid off for once and not being a dick. And guess what? I got an email from Femfetti. And they saw my video. Little old me. They saw me. I was pretty blown away. Let me tell you what they said. Because magical dagical, I got an email that says, Denise. First of all, you know my name. We saw your recent video on YouTube and we are completely appalled at the designs that you received in your mystery bag of sweatshirts, besides the sucks to suck, because I did like that one. The other 2 items were incorrectly packed by a part-time shipper that unfortunately did not work out for us. Sounds like somebody got fired. We are so glad that you posted that video so we can share this with our team and provide them with critical feedback. We would like to offer you 2 sweatshirts or tees if you prefer, since it's summer now, of your choosing from our website. Just let us know which styles you would like and in what size and what color. We apologize for the mishap and hope to hear from you soon and get you some cuter sweatshirts. Thank you, Femfetti team. Holy crap, little old me got an email from a company. Never had the intention of getting or hearing back from them or anything like that. That was never my intention with the video. I just wanted to do an honest, unbiased review of the company since I tried them out for the first time. Well, I got back to them and I said, thank you for reaching out for such amazing customer service. I'm pretty blown away by your initiative. I was very surprised to receive your email, but super appreciative at the same time. I would love to take you up on your offer. Thank you so much. I plan on making a follow-up video to share what great customer service that you have expressed towards me, because it means a lot. And I said, seriously, thank you so much. Again, I'm excited to film my follow-up. And they said, thanks for getting back to us so fast. We will get you the teas out ASAP. Please do not feel like you need to make another video. We just wanted to make sure you are taken care of. Who has that type of amazing customer service anymore? I don't know anybody besides Disney, okay? Nobody has that type of customer service. So what I did is I perused the website, and I had a good old time, checking out some different options that they had. They have a lot of great selections for different sweatshirts and t-shirts, and I decided since it is summer, let's get some cute t-shirts that I can wear that represent me and what I'm about. So I found the 2 t-shirts that I liked. I selected the item number and I sent it back in my email to them along with my sizes and colors. And a couple days later, here it is. Check it out. So it says Indoorsy, guilty as charged. And it's got the coffee, the book, the laptop. Well, I don't have my laptop, but I do have my phone right here, and a plant, and I kill everything. So I only have fake succulents, I'm not gonna lie. But I love this shirt. I thought it was super cute and I could totally wear it all summer long. I can wear it anytime. I'm indoorsy all years long. Hi, that's why I'm so pale. I don't go outside. I stay inside. And then I got this awesome shirt that says dry shampoo and coffee, because that's my life, dry shampoo and coffee. So I just want to say a big thank you to Femfetti for reaching out. Again, I had no intention. I was doing an honest, unbiased review, And it really paid off because they contacted me to make sure I was satisfied as a customer. I think that is amazing customer service that builds a relationship, and that makes me want to shop with them again because I know if I don't like my item, they'll take care of me. So thank you, Femfetti. I appreciate it. I love my new shirts. I'm super happy with them. You definitely did right by me. And I'm happy to share my story and experience with everybody. So if you haven't shopped with Femfetti, again, this is not sponsored or anything like that. Total, just my opinion. But if you've not shopped with Femfetti, check them out. They have sizes from extra small to 3X. So us bigger girls have options there as well, which is super awesome. They have accessories and sweatshirts, t-shirts, they have pants, just the whole 9 yards. So you can get an entire look from them. I'll link their website down below. Let me know if you've ever shopped with Femfetti and what your favorite outfit is from them. Leave me a comment below. While you're here, of course, let's do a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me on social media, why not? Instagram and Facebook. Like, follow. Appreciate it so much. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.